Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your days at home. So today we will do chapter number 8, wave. The first topic of chapter number 8 is 8.4 and in the topic of speed of wave there are two subtopics. We will also discuss that Laplace correction and second topic is effect of various factors various factor on speed of sound. So these two are the subtopics of speed of sound. So first we will discuss speed of sound, then Laplace correction and effect of various factors on speed of sound. So let's start. First we will do speed of sound. First topic is speed of sound. So let's discuss. So definition of speed of sound is the distance covered by sound in unit time. Unit time is called speed of sound. That how much distance it cover in a time is called speed of sound. Speed of sound is denoted by V. V is equal to, its formula is elastic modulus of medium divided by density of medium. It depends upon these two factors, elasticity of medium and density of medium. So we can write it, P is equal to under root G over rho. So this is equation number 1. Now the temperature. What is Boyle's law? The temperature formation during formation of compression and rarefaction will be constant is called Boyle's law. So according to Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant, pressure and volume is equal to constant, temperature is here constant. Pressure and volume are inversely proportional. If we remove the constant, there will be a proportional sign, and if we move it here, it will be inversely proportional. So if we change some if we make the some change in the compression and rarefaction, this is compression, very close to each other. When waves are very close to each other, it's called compression, and when the waves are very far to each other, it is called rarefaction. If we make some change in compression and rarefaction, then what if we make some change in pressure and volume, then PV is equal to P plus del P. There is some change in volume, pressure, there is some change in pressure and some change in volume, so volume would be in minus sign, because when we increase the pressure, volume would be decrease, and when volume will be decrease, it will be with negative sign and it will be with positive sign. If we multiply this P with this whole value, then what will be? Like I will multiply P with V and del V, and plus del V will be multiplied by V and minus del V. So PV would be P into V minus P into del V plus del P into V plus minus minus del P into del V. So we make very small this change in pressure and volume, so it can be negligible, we can neglect it, so it will be 0. So it would be 0. And this PV would go in here and would be PV minus PV, because here it is positive and it will go here in the equal sign, it will be negative. We are left with minus P del V plus del P over V. So this will be 0 here. 0 is equal to minus P del V plus del P V. Now this minus would be moving here, so it will be positive. P del V is equal to del P V. Now we have to find pressure, so this would go here, so we will get P is equal to del P, so this would be del P V divided by del V. Now if we take this V into this denominator, this would be del P divided by del V divided by V. So it is equal to strain, del P is equal to strain, and del V divided by V is equal to volumetric strain. So this is equation number 2. And this is equal to E. This whole is equal to E. Now instead in equation number 1 we put this is equation number 1. We put instead of E we put P, pressure. So from in equation 1 we put E, we put E is equal to P, we get V is equal to under root P divided by rho. This is Newton's formula for speed of sound. This is Newton's formula for speed of sound in air. Speed of sound in air. Okay, now this P is equal to rho GH, rho of mercury GH. So I will write in the next page. S P is equal to rho of mercury, density of mercury GH, rho density of mercury gravity and this is height. Their values are given. PM then rho m density of mercury is given 13.6 gram centimeter cube per cube, and G value is given 980 centimeter per second, and we are given with height is 76 centimeter, and the value of rho in air is, we have to memorize these values, 0.001293 gram centimeter per cube. So if we put this P value in equation number 3, which is V is equal to under root P is pressure divided by rho of air. So we put the value of P. If we put the value of P from here, we get the answer under root PmGH divided by rho. So we put the values. Mass density of mercury is 13.6 and the mass value gravity value is 980. The gravity value is 980 and height is 76 divided by 0.001293. So we get the value of speed of sound is 281 meter per second. This is the experimental value. This is the experimental value. This is the value of speed of sound. The experimental value is of speed of sound is value of speed of sound in gas is 332 meter per second, and the theoretical value is less than theoretical value is 16% less than this experimental value, 332 meter per second. Means this